देखिए हर खबर यहीं पर, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए TV9 भारतवर्ष।
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Government of India for the ordinance that has been passed yesterday, which will go a long way in providing security and boosting the morale of our frontline soldiers, that is the Corona warriors. All healthcare workers are really very grateful for this ordinance, and I think this is a great boost as far as they are concerned. But as we sort of applaud our healthcare workers, it's also important to understand that the center of all of this is the patients, and they are currently facing a lot of challenges and stigma which is not justified. The majority of patients are actually becoming all right and coming out, and these are actually our symbols of victory. They are our symbols of hope that they have had COVID-19 and have come out, and yet we have stigmatized them to a large extent, which is creating a huge problem. It's creating a panic, it's creating problem as far as society is concerned. These individuals, these patients, their families are having huge hardships which are really unjustified. And not only that, it is actually causing increasing morbidity and mortality. Because of the stigma that is happening, many patients who have COVID-19 or have flu-like symptoms are not coming forward, not coming to healthcare facilities. And because of that, they are coming very late when they are really very breathless, and this is leading to higher mortality. Many of these patients can be saved by just one treatment, and that is by giving them oxygen. The simple thing to remember is that when these young individuals or these individuals have a pneumonia or they have a viral infection and their oxygen in the blood becomes low, it can lead to or trigger number of other problems, whether it's cardiac, whether it's neurological, and therefore a strategy of having more and more oxygen beds is based on this. 80% of individuals will have mild illness. The remaining 15% will become all right just with supportive care and oxygen therapy. Less than 5% will need ventilators or critical care. So therefore it's important that we reach out to these patients who are right now scared to come out because of the panic and the stigma that we have attached, and thereby not getting proper treatment.
अड़ी सोमवार से शुक्रवार शाम 6 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर।